Welcome back. It's now time for the business day. The Jamaica Tourist Board, JTB, is reporting a significant increase in arrivals from the United Kingdom. The figures for January to June point to a 14% increase when compared with the similar period last year. The Tourist Board says this makes Jamaica the Caribbean's top choice destination for UK travelers. Director of Tourism Donovan White says work is being done to enhance the country's offerings with new luxury hotels and an array of cultural and culinary events through its Visit Jamaica marketing plan. Former Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark started his new job at the International Monetary Fund in Washington, D.C. this morning. Dr. Clark was appointed one of 4 deputy managing directors at the IMF. This morning, Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva, the executive board and staff welcomed the new managing director at the fund's Pennsylvania Avenue location in the American capital. Chief Executive Officer of Prohamco Business Consultancy Limited, Antoinette Hamilton, is the new president of the MSME Alliance. Ms. Hamilton is a chartered accountant. She succeeds Donovan Wignall. The MSME Alliance says the organization achieved remarkable milestones in advocating for the growth and development of the micro, small, and medium-sized enterprise MSME sector. Amar Gentles has been appointed first vice president, and Sean Ashman is the second vice president. To some currency trading now. At the close of trading today, the American dollar was being sold for an average $159.32. Looking at the other benchmarks, the Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.24. $206.76 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $172.43. The JSE index advanced by 2,260 points today, while the junior market index fell by 32 points. Among the 46 winners were Berger, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Proven Group, and JPS 9.5% preference shares. The 43 losers included General Accident, Epley 7.5% preference shares, JMMB 5.75% preference shares, iCreate, and 138 Student Living. 16 stocks closed the session, selling at the same price they started trading. And that's the business news. News from overseas right after the break.